Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. All right, quickly, I have something important to show you. There are some times when you need to install an application or you need to collect a particular file, but mostly when you want to install an application and you find out that you don't have enough space on your phone, and because of that, you either have to delete stuff or uninstall your application so you can install a new one. I want to show you how you can create emergency space on your phone so you can install those applications or probably to collect those files that you need. All right, the first thing I have to do now, let me show you something. My file manager. All right, my internal memory, I have just 423 megabyte left. I have quite a number of gig on my SD card. So if I have this space on my SD card, but if I want to install my applications, they will be installed directly into the internal memory. So the only way I can create space is probably move some files away from the internal storage. Okay, but that will take a lot. Sometimes I have a lot of applications that some of the applications are up to half a gig, sometimes 1 gig memory space occupied by just one application. Alright, so let me quickly dive into showing you how to create the space. Now, this space is not a space we're creating from nowhere. It's actually in your phone, just that they are the cache files. So instead of using a cache, a cleaner or stuff like that to clean the junks, which almost doesn't work at times, it barely does something like this to clean it up. Even if I try and clean this up, it will still have, you can see these are my junk files are up to 6 point something gig. Even though I clean it up, it will still be there. So I'm going to teach you how to manually remove this. So let me clean this up. Okay, so you see now I have 500 megabyte now, but that might not be enough. So what you have to do now is you go to your settings. This might be different in your own phone, but just try and locate storage. Okay, click on internal storage, shared storage, and then while it's calculating, click on our apps. This will bring out all the applications you have on your phone, all the applications. And then for my phone, it's sorted by size, all right, from the largest to the lowest. All right, so this is what you are going to do for each of the applications. All right, for this one, Plutagon contains it occupies 566 megabytes alone. So you click on it. Now the app size is 288 megabytes, while the user data, that's your data in the app, is about 278 megabytes, and then the cache is 14.34 kilobytes. All right, that's the cache is what we are concerned about. Okay, if you clear, now you can see clear data, you can see clear cache. If you clear this cache, it will clear this one, but if you clear data, it will clear this space off for you. But if you clear this data, it will make the application look as if you just installed it immediately. So if you do this, you will not uninstall the application, but it will clear all the data the application has about you. Maybe if it's a game or everything you have played, it will become a brand new application if you clear this. But if you clear this, you just occupy it will clear the cache space. For this, it doesn't the cache is very low, so no need to do that. So I'll come to the next one. Okay, this contains 11 megabytes, so I'm going to clear the cache. And then come to Dream League. This one very low, so no need. Come to Facebook. Facebook occupies 25 megabytes. I cleared that. With time, you will know the applications that occupy much space on your phone. This contains 137 megabytes. Chrome. Okay, let's see WhatsApp. None for WhatsApp. Docs. None for docs. Come to YouTube. None for YouTube. Quick. None. I think trying to the junk cleaner did a good job with some of the application, but it didn't clear everything. Alright, you get the idea. So I do this often, so probably why I don't have much cache occupied space. That'll be all. So let's go back to our inbuilt memory to see what space we have. Oh, I have about a gig now. So you can see how far we were able to clear space of about 500 megabytes. There's much space again to be cleared. However, I don't have time for that for now. So this will create enough space for you to install your application right into your phone, and then maybe later on find out how to clear up more space. So here it is, how to create emergency space on your inbuilt memory on your Android. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe, share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.